In this video, we will discuss the rugged, modular designs of Dixon's drop elbow selection. Each elbow in our selection shares two key features. First, an integrated sight glass allows for easy monitoring of fluid flow. Second, a grease fitting ensures smooth, reliable connections even in the toughest conditions. The Baylite 6210 fuel delivery elbow is designed for driver comfort and ease of storage. The compact design fits into most equipment boxes. A key feature is the forged handle for strength and reliability. It is available in both standard and tall heights. Next is the 6500 series self-locking drop elbow. When the handle is depressed, it locks into place automatically. The locking handle is mounted to the elbow on mounting plates. These plates are on either side of the elbow, so the handle can be left or right-handed. The third offering is the 6600 series auto shutoff elbow. There is a full flapper built within the elbow that automatically shuts off when detached from the tank adapter. When the flapper is closed, the fuel is contained between the elbow and the truck. Like the 6500 series elbow, this also utilizes an auto locking handle. Dixon offers a variety of drop elbows to accommodate the many needs of fuel delivery. Please refer to the fuel compatibility chart to ensure you have the right connection. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Don't forget to like this video and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.